Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Messages and entering the exact conversation containing the message to edit. Tap and hold the sent bubble. You'll see the action menu appear, and that initiates editing. Make sure the message is within the allowed time window, because iMessage limits edits. Once done, choose Edit from the menu. That places the message into an editable text field so you can change words, correct mistakes, or add missing info without sending a new message. You now modify the text in the inline editor, tap where you need to change and type. Use the keyboard to correct typos, add context, or shorten a sentence. This keeps the conversation tidy. Once you finish typing, press the blue check or send to apply the change. Make sure to read the edited text before confirming, because recipients will see that the message was edited. Also, note that edits sync across devices signed into your Apple ID. You finish by reviewing the edited bubble. You can press and hold it to view the edit indicator or undo the change shortly after. If something goes wrong, check your network, confirm both parties run compatible iOS versions, and ensure iMessage is active. These are the common blockers. Once done, know you can still delete the message if editing isn't appropriate. If the edit didn't apply, force close messages and retry so the app resyncs your changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.